Make mobile power easy and take your adventures to the next level. Introducing the REDARC power solutions for your off-grid power needs. Our new range of four-wheel drive power solution kits are designed to make your off-road and overlanding experience seamless and stress-free. Gone are the days of wondering which products are right for you. Our solution kits include everything you need for your rig. Whether you're a weekend warrior or living on the road, we've got a kit for you. Our Weekend Ready kit is perfect for enhancing your off-grid adventures on those short and frequent getaways to power your fridge, lights and charge electronics. The Touring Ready kit offers more power, taking your adventures further. You can enjoy an extended trip to any destination while powering your fridge, lights and more 12-volt products like CPAP machines, water pump and compressor. You'll have the confidence that all your accessories stay powered by seeing real-time battery information through the Red Vision app. For those who don't want to be limited by shore power, we have crafted a solution for extended adventures or remote living. The Expedition Ready kit will have enough power to run multiple accessories no matter how far you go off-grid. The inverter allows you to bring comforts from home like a coffee maker or induction cooktop. Installation is a breeze. Our step-by-step guides, installation videos and industry-leading tech support make it easy for anyone to set up their kit. Ready to power up your adventure? Visit our website and choose the perfect kit for you today. With our simplified solutions, stay fully charged anywhere you go in the great outdoors.